I'm going to show you this morning how I put together a really nice dry vanilla cake mix for your pantry with items from your pantry. So let's get started. I will put the recipe and everything for it in the video. So to start out with, I've got 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay. And to that I'm going to add 1.75 cups of regular sugar. And in here I've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to put that in there too. And the reason why I put cornstarch in there is simply because cornstarch will inhibit the gluten development, which in turn will give you a very, very tender product. So it's wonderful. Alright, now we're just going to whisk this. And that's how simple this is. You can by all means sift your flour and all your stuff together, but you know, the whisking is the new sifting. So just give this a really good whisk. Okay. Now with that, I've got I'm just going to store this in a Ziploc bag because I'm sending this with my daughter for the grandbabies to make some cake. Otherwise, I'd store mine in a jar in my pantry. But with, you know, graduation coming up, I do a lot of cakes. So I'm going to vacuum seal mine, you know, in one cake mix, like, you know, enough for one cake mix. So we're going to dump this all in here. We'll put the rest of that right in there, just like so. Alright. There is our cake mix. And yes, these are my cheap bags. Okay, so I got that all done there. I've got it written on there. When you make this cake, you'll use this entire recipe right here, the entire package that you put together. And to this, you're going to add 3 eggs, 1.25 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of oil, and a tablespoon of vanilla. And you will get a wonderful homemade yellow cake. This is perfect for your pantry with items from your pantry, and it's very budget friendly. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.